In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain in Base44. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to effectively link a custom domain to your Base44 project. First things first, ensure you have access to your Base44 account, as we'll be diving into it pretty quickly. Go ahead and open your specific project within Base44. Make sure you're working on the right one, as the domain changes apply specifically to the project you're in. Once you have your project open, navigate to the Settings menu. You can usually find this either at the top right corner of your screen or along the side in the left sidebar, whichever interface you're working with. From there, scroll down or locate the section labeled either Custom Domain or simply Domain. This is your starting point for linking a new domain. Now you'll need to click on the Add Domain button. This will prompt you to input the new domain name you wish to connect. As a tip, make sure to enter the full domain correctly, such as www.yourwebsite.com. Double check your input to avoid any typos that might lead to broken links or connection issues later on. After you have entered your domain, Base44 will provide you with a set of DNS records. These DNS records are crucial for verifying and correctly routing your domain to your Base44 account. It's important to note these records down correctly, as these will be needed in the next steps. Typically, you will be looking at CNAME or A record entries among others, depending on your domain provider's requirements. Once you have the DNS records, the next step takes place outside of Base44. You'll need to access the DNS settings of the domain you just entered. This part is typically done through your domain registrar, which could be GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other service you're using. Log into your account with them, locate the DNS settings for your domain, and input the records exactly as shown in Base44. When you have done this, remember that DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet. This could vary from a few minutes up to 48 hours. So if your domain doesn't immediately link to your Base44 project, give it some time. Patience is key here. And that's it. With these steps, your domain should now be successfully added to Base44. You'll be bringing your project one step closer to being live and accessible to your audience. Keep an eye on it, and if you face any issues, Base44's support team is always a great place to seek further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.